You may be surprised to learn that stinging nettle tea is actually quite delicious, and it can be extremely beneficial for your health and well-being. I'm harvesting the leaves and stems, and they're highly nourishing. They're anti-inflammatory, antihistamines, they're a circulatory stimulant, and they're a powerful blood tonic which assists with anemia, eczema, dermatitis, and it's full of iron, calcium, potassium, zinc, magnesium, silica, fibre, vitamin A, C, and the B vitamins. Dehydrate on a dehydrator at 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit until dry, or in paper bags in a warm, dry location, and shake them every day. Chop the dry herbs up enough so that you can get all the goodness out of the herbs, but not enough so that they'll fall through the strainer. I add half a cup of dried herbs to 2 1/4 cups of boiling water and simmer for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to strain into the teapot. The ritual of tea making can be as simple or as fancy as you like. Taking some time out of your day to fully stop and be in the moment of this simple task of making tea and quietly enjoying it alone or with someone worthy. It's like a reset, and we could all do with more moments like this in our lives. I serve my nettle tea with honey and lemon, and I really prefer the taste of nettle tea to store-bought teas of all flavours and brands. If you haven't tried stinging nettle tea, give it a go. It's a beneficial tea to drink every day to improve your health. Hydrating while reducing inflammation sounds like a good ritual to make a habit to me. You may even have them growing around your place already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.